State of Michigan 36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Judge Sean D. Perkins presiding. While on Zoom, there will absolutely be no eating, drinking, sleeping, and or laying down. I would ask that if you have on your hats or hoodie that you please remove them. Good morning, Judge. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Good working. Good morning.
Good morning, Ms. Law. Good morning, Ms. Mathis. Good morning, Your Honor.
All right, let's start with the city of Detroit versus Sylvia Lott. Case numbers SP 10023791, SP 1420987, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1420991. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ben Werbling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant.
All right, Ms. Lott, can you state your name for the record, please?
Sylvia Lott.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial in a matter. Ms. Lott, do you have valid license, insurance, registration?
I have my license at the time. He had everything, but I didn't have it on me because I was driving someone else's car. But yes, I have everything.
Valid insurance and registration. Let's see your insurance and registration now. It's a bot.
Okay.
All right, let me see if I can see that. All right.
It's the registration.
That the car you were driving?
Yes. I was
All right.
driving a friend's car, so.
All right, let's see if you have, let's see the insurance, please. Slide it over to your left. And push it closer.
Closer. Oh.
It's
All
like
right.
12/5/2023.
I'm satisfied. I'll offer you a blocking traffic for this improper lane use.
Huh?
And a blocking traffic, he wrote you for improper lane use. No,
No, he
improper.
wrote you.
Wait a minute. Improper
Okay.
use of lights.
Yes, I didn't know that his high beams was on. His high beams was on at the time. And when he put me over, I told him I didn't know that his high beams was on.
All right, so defective equipment, $120, ma'am. We'll dismiss everything else.
So I got to pay $120.
Yeah, if you want to take the deal, you do.
Oh, okay, because he told me that if I bring the receipt in showing that I had got it, that he had I guess. Okay, got it fixed that I didn't have he was gonna throw the whole thing away if I brought in all his information.
I don't know why he says that, and he writes you for everything in the book. You know, it's just you want me to get him in here? We can set up another date. We can get him in here. We can have that discussion with them.
Yeah, because he said because his I guess because when I turned I had called him and he had said that his regular light was broke, so that's why he had his high beams on. And when I told him, he said, well, if he fixed it, just bring in the receipt showing that he bought the light and bring in everything, and I just throw the case out.
All right, trial, come back on August the 15th, 2023 at 9 a.m., all right?
Okay.
All right, if there's no further questions, ma'am, bring that documentation with you as well, all right?
Yes.
Have a very good day. Good luck to you.
I just paid, it don't matter. I just want to get it over with. I just paid $120 because I just want to get it over with.
What do you want to do? We're not gonna keep going back and forth.
Okay, I just paid $120. Well, I got to pay it today.
That's, you're supposed to have to pay it today. You need some time to pay it?
Yes,
How much time do you need?
until Friday.
All right, stipulate to the face and ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea, counselor.
Yes, we do, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
Yes, we do, Judge.
All right, $120, ma'am. Find you responsible as charged. You want to pay by Friday, I'll give you a week. I'll give you to the 13th to make sure that payment is in. I don't want to affect your license. Pay it at any DIV that kiosk in the city of Detroit now, or pay it down here at the courthouse. I'm told you can upload that DIV that app to your phone.
Okay, thank you.
All right, have a great day.
You too.
Thank you, Judge.
All right,
Listen,
Ms. Gilbert, are you there?
Yes.
City of Detroit versus Takia Renee Gilbert, case number SP 1450833, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes.
State your name for the record, ma'am.
Takia Gilbert.
Counsel, put your appearance on the record, please.
Joseph Dillard, P37225.
Good morning to you, Mr. Dillard. Do you have valid registration and insurance, Ms. Gilbert? Ms. Gilbert? Can she not hear me? Ms. Gilbert,
I can't hear you guys.
can anybody hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Your
Ms. Gilbert?
Yeah,
Do you have valid registration and insurance? All right, something's wrong with her device, I'm thinking. Counselor Zayed, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Who's your client?
Spring Gilmore, she's present on Zoom.
Very well. Ms. Gilbert, I think something is wrong with your device.
Can you hear me now, Judge?
I can hear you now. Can you hear me?
Yes.
All right, do you have valid registration and insurance, ma'am?
Yes, I was up here. I have my insurance electronic. I was trying to get that available for you, but yes, I have everything. My registration, I'm about to,
gonna put the
I can show you.
I'm gonna put my email address in the chat if you want to send it to me.
Okay.
That's my email address. Sorry about the all caps. Send it to me. That was quick. Let's see, and I can see it. All right, let's see the registration, please.
Yes. I'm sending it over now.
Just hold it up, if you would. Very well, I'm going to dismiss the case for providing valid documentation. All right, if there's nothing further, ma'am, you have a very good day. Good luck to you.
Thank you so much, Judge.
Okay. All right, Counselor for Gilmore, that's set for a formal hearing. We're gonna give the officer, a half-hour grace period from 8:30. And that is Trooper Shields right there. So you can work it out with the trooper as a civil infraction, or a trooper, if you want to wait on APA code, let me know.
I'm happy to go in a breakout room with Trooper Shields, Your Honor.
That's gonna be up to the trooper. If you want to join it, join it.
We can go
Have
into
a
a breakout
discussion.
room, Your Honor.
You, what, pardon me?
We can go into a breakout room.
All right, go ahead and join the trooper, and he's there. Closure. Delano Closure. There.
Hello?
Delano, is that
Yes.
Closure?
Gloucester.
Gloucester?
Yes.
Sorry about that. Let me see, okay, that's. Can't read it all right.
Judge, I see him for the afternoon.
Good afternoon, we'll arraign him, and,
I had
he's got a careless disregarding the red signal, disregarding the signal.
I had another court. I'm sorry.
He might
Hello?
want to take a class. This, we'll call it City of Detroit versus Delano Gloucester, case number SP 1375766, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1437407, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
I'm ruling on behalf of the defendant, P64889. Your name for the record, sir?
Good afternoon.
Your name, Mr. Gloucester?
Oh, Delano Gloucester.
All right, today is the date and time set for arraignment. As for purposes of arraignment, Counselor,
Judge, we'll stay on mute and wait for formal reading at this time.
will enter a not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond. This is he's got 3 moving violations here on these tickets. I'm gonna give him an opportunity to take the defensive driving course.
Your Honor.
Hello?
Yes. Can I speak?
1 second, let me finish speaking, please, and I'll let you speak.
I didn't even do nothing to get these tickets. I wasn't even in the car when they wrote these tickets.
All right, well, we'll just set a trial date. If you say that wasn't you. we'll set a
No, what
trial.
I'm trying to, hello?
All right, listen, we're not gonna have this is not time to have a conversation. I can put you in the breakout room with the lawyer. You can have a conversation with them. Now, if you just said that you weren't even in the car when you got these tickets. So if it's not you, we'd have to set a trial date and get the officer in here. If it's you, if you wanna mitigate this, we'll give you an opportunity to take the class, but if it's not you, it's
I don't
not
have,
you.
okay, what I'm trying to explain to you is that I was in my house.
Turn your camera on, please.
I can't, huh?
Turn your camera on before we can talk.
I'm trying to. I don't know how to use. I've been trying to turn my camera on since I got on here. I've been trying to turn the camera on. The host asks you to start your video. Okay. I'm looking, man. I've been trying to turn this camera on.
Okay, now,
Okay.
do you want to start talking or do you want to speak to the lawyer first?
I want to talk to the lawyer.
All right, Mr. Moore, want to put him in a breakout room.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you, Judge.
John.
Go on. Galaxy J2, yes, good morning.
10:30.
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you, sir. What's your name?
Shanton Goodlow, sir.
Goodlow, Goodlow. You were supposed to be here yesterday?
No, sir. Today was our day.
8:35?
Yes.
Good
Good luck.
Shanton.
Yes. Thank you. All right, this is the city. Good morning, Madam Schneider. This is the city of Detroit versus Shanton Goodlow. Case numbers SP 1412142, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1441485 SP 1441488, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Joseph Dillard, on behalf of Mr. Goodlow. Mr. Goodlow, state your name for the record.
Shanton Dewan Goodlow.
Today is the date and time set for a pretrial on one of the matters. We'll consolidate all the matters. This, Snyder, are you there? She's not here. She was. We're gonna wait to get an offer from the city attorney. You got multiple counts of driving while license revoked. I know that the typical offer is at least pleading with 1 count of failure to display. So that's going to affect your, I don't know what the status, or have you gone to the driver's license review board or anything?
No, sir. I'm still waiting on confirmation for my hearing date.
Want to speak to Mr. Dillard in the breakout room, and one of the counts is going to at least be failure to display. You've got, and then a blocking traffic. $240 is going to abstract to the Secretary of State. The other count is a blocking traffic. It's going to be $175, no abstraction. We'll put you in a breakout room with Mr. Dillard, and you speak to him about the situation.
Yes, sir.
That's the offer.
The court is making an offer at this time.
Yes.
What is the court
Failure
offer
to
again?
display, failure to display $240, blocking traffic $175. We'll dismiss the other matters. It's only
And
one matter.
How
Go
many other matters are being dismissed, John?
So he's got 5 matters in total, 2 plead, 2 dismissal.
Okay, thank you, Anna.
All right. All right. Are we ready on Gilmer?
Yes, we are, Your Honor.
All right, let's go call the case. This is the city of Detroit versus Spring Tennell Gilmer. Case number State of Michigan versus Spring Tennell Gilmer. Case number SX 419-70941. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Justin Zaid, P81051, on behalf of Ms. Gilmore, who is present and consents to appear via Zoom. Ms. Gilmore, can you state your full name for the record?
Spring Gilmore, Spring Tennell Gilmore.
All right. Trooper Shields, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Trooper Sumaya Shields.
All right, today is the date and time set for a formal hearing. What's going to be the disposition of this?
Your Honor, we've had an opportunity to resolve this matter. At this time, Ms. Gilmore is going to plead responsible to an amended count of impeding traffic in exchange for a dismissal of the original count violation of basic speed law.
Okay. All right, you understand that, Ms. Gilmore? That's $175 fine. It does not abstract to the Secretary of State, therefore doesn't carry these points. You want to take the deal, ma'am?
Yes.
All right. Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea, counselor.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Find the client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic, $175. When can you pay, Ms. Gilmore?
Can I pay it next week?
I'm going to give you 7 days, 6/13/2023, okay?
Thank you.
All right, if there's nothing further, everybody have a very good day. Trooper, you be safe out there, and good luck to you.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Counselor, good morning to you.
Good morning, sir.
Who's your client?
Fiona Greeley.
Really?
Yes. I have had several conversations with Attorney Schneider, and I think we might have a resolution. Perhaps I should give her a call and confirm that.
She was just in here. Go ahead and give her a call, and let's see where that goes. I don't know if you want to wait and see if any of the officers show up. I know we have Corporal Latch here is the only officer that's here now.
We were waiting for one of the officers to appear. She
And
needed
who was that officer?
Get that for us.
All right, we'll stand by.
Okay, very good. Thank you.
Gaston Dillon.
Yes.
Dillon.
Yes. Yeah. Yes, that's me.
Yeah, okay, I gotta get it. All right, let's do this. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gloucester. Mr. Gloucester,
Yes.
you know, to speak to counsel in the breakout room. Counselor, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, he's asking for a bench trial with respect to these 3 matters, and I think he had some other, he may have some other matters that were set for today that I don't have in front of me, but but we'd like to see if we could have everything set for the future bench trial date for perhaps a global resolution.
Yeah, we got all of them. We'll put all of them for a bench trial.
Great. That's what he wanted to do.
All right, that's what you want to do. I'll still offer the better driver's course if he chooses to.
I have time for that.
All right. The bench trial is going to be August the 15th, 2023 at 9 a.m., okay?
August 15th,
2023 at 9 a.m.
9 a.m. August 15th, 9 a.m. Got you.
Have a good day, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Oh, good morning to you.
Morning.
I had Trooper Shields in there. It was just a violation of basic speed law. And he offered, the attorney was here as well. He offered the attorney for his client of blocking traffic.
Trooper Shields? Wow.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Well, thank you for resolving that. I appreciate that.
Yeah, okay. They just left.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
I just have a question. I'm not sure what courtroom I'm supposed to be in.
Okay, let's go ahead with the city of Detroit versus Dylan David Gatson. Case number SP 144436622. Appearance for the record, please.
And Warbling P 64889 on behalf of the defendant. Could you please state your name for the record?
Dylan Gatson.
Okay, today is the date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant, counselor.
Judge, for purposes of arraignment, we'll stand mute and wait formal reading at this time.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. I don't see Gatson on the docket. Yeah, Dylan is another Rashid Rashard, yes. Dylan is, okay, I see, very well. All right. As for purposes of arraignment, counsel, did you already?
Sam, you and wait for formal reading, Judge.
All right, I'll enter a non-guilty plea on his behalf and give him a $0 bond. What I will do from this point is, let's see. I will dismiss the case for paying a related civil infraction. All right, I'll waive the warrant fee. There's nothing further, sir. Have a very good day. Case dismissed, all right?
Thank you.
Have a good one.
Thank you, Judge.
On the device ending in 2408, what's your name?
02. Arthur Groves. GROV is in victory. Pardon?
Arthur Grove.
Groves. GROV is in victory. ES.
Okay, John, did you just bring that device in the room?
Here, the bell was going off.
One moment, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Warrant Corporal Croxton.
On Angels A12 device, what's your name, sir?
Marquez Gibbons.
Good morning. You said Givens.
Yes, Givens Gibbons.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Stand by, sir, for your honor to call your case when it's time. Place your device on mute.
You talking to me too, or just him?
Actually, we have you, sir, and so just the same, you would stand by on mute as well until the judge does address your matter.
Okay, dokie.
Mr. Groves. On the device ending in TCL20.
Hello,
Device ending in TCL20XE, what's your name?
Dr. Love.
Dontrell,
Love, yes.
Dontrell.
Yes.
Good morning. I'm just renaming your device so that we know who you are. Stand by until we do address your matter.
Okay.
All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Goodlow. Mr. Goodlow, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what's your client want to do? Dillard?
Yes, sir.
What's your client want to do, Mr. Goodlow?
He wishes to take advantage of the offer, Your Honor.
All right.
And Your Honor, but a question before proceeding. He has another court hearing before you on July 6th. He was before you back on May 23. The offer that was presented by today, does that include the matter that's scheduled for July 6th?
Yes. think we were trying to give him an opportunity to get that hearing date, because this is probably gonna affect his license further, but obviously he continues to get tickets.
Are we able to wrap everything up today, Your Honor?
Yes.
Thank you.
You read him his advice or rights, Mr. Dillard?
Yes, he's been informed of his rights, Your Honor.
Very well. That what you want to do, Mr. Goodlow?
Yes, sir.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir. I do.
You put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, I do.
Mr. Dillard went over some of your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, he did, sir.
You understood those rights?
Yes, sir, I did.
You have any questions about those rights?
No, sir, I don't.
You understand you're gonna be giving up those rights when you take this deal?
I understand.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
Let me draw your attention to April the 19th, 2023 at around 4:48 a.m. City of Detroit in the area of Jefferson and Cadillac, sir. Do you have an occasion on that day to come and call Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
On that date, were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, sir, I was.
Did that officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes, sir, he did.
You couldn't do so, could you, sir?
No, sir, I could not.
Why is that?
Because they're revoked.
Very well, sir. I'm gonna find your client guilty of the amended count of failure to display, fine him $240 for that. As it relates to the civil infraction, when you stipulate to the basic ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea, Counselor?
Yes, Your Honor.
You stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulate.
All right, I'm gonna find him responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic, $175 based on that civil infraction, and I'll dismiss the other three matters. Mr. Goodlow, when can you pay this?
I at least need 2 weeks, sir. I'll have it all paid up.
Okay, I'm gonna give you till June the 26th, 2023. Make sure you pay it. If it's nothing further, sir, have a very good day. Best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you, Judge. I appreciate it.
All right, have a good one.
Have a good day, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Dillard.
All right.
Officer Tim right now, he's on the drive. And he wants to dismiss this to him.
I don't think.
Okay.
Okay, Asia Lawson,
Yes.
are you there, ma'am? Okay, good morning to you.
Good morning.
City of Detroit versus Asia Denise Jane Lawson, case number SP 1414546, counts 1 and counts 2. U 3841517, U 390811617, U 390850117, U 51096119, U 530813119, U 531144419. Appearance for the record, please.
And Warbling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant. Your name for the record, miss?
You talk to me?
Yeah, are you Asia Lawson?
Yes, I'm Asia Lawson, yes.
Yes, all right. Today is the date and time. Let's call it arraignment on the bench warrant, Counselor.
Judge, for those purposes, we'll stand mute and waive formal reading at this time, Your Honor.
I have an offer here that I don't quite understand. No reduced plea. We're gonna get, that was written back in 2019. We're gonna get an updated offer for you, or we can set a trial date now.
Can you repeat that, please?
Pardon me?
Can you repeat that?
I need to get you an offer to settle these cases, or I can get you a trial date and just come back, we can settle it all on one day. You have a reckless driving. That I know they're gonna want you to plead as part of the offer to a drag racing, amended count of drag racing. That's gonna be a 4-point offense instead of the 6-point offense as it stands. And then you have these multiple U tickets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 U tickets. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wait, and you can wait until the city attorney comes in, and we can get you, I'll let her give you the offer, or you can just come back on the date of trial and settle up then.
So you say you can give me a date to settle it all out at once?
Yeah, we can get you an offer now. Let me let you speak to Mr. Warbling, so he can explain things to you.
Okay.
Join the room, please.
Your Honor?
Yes.
Never mind, I see it, never mind.
I can't hear you.
Let's move on to Haitham Odifa.
Yes, Your Honor.
I got that right?
Hello?
Yeah, you got it right.
Hello, hold on a second, ma'am.
Take your time.
City of Detroit versus Haitham Odifa, case number SP 1442758 SP 1442763, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Joseph Dillard, on behalf of Mr. Odifa. Mr. Odifa, state your name for the record.
My name is Haitham Odafa.
All right, sorry about the mispronunciation.
That's fine.
There's the date and time set for a pretrial. You have valid registration and insurance on this vehicle, sir?
Yeah, it's right here.
Let's see what you have, please.
I don't want. It's my registration. My father just put on there his name yesterday.
All right, let's see what the insurance looks like, please.
My camera glitched on up. I don't know. See it.
All right, I'm satisfied. What about just $65 for this seatbelt ticket, all right?
All right. Thank you.
We'll you want to take that deal? I'll dismiss the other 2 matters.
Yeah, I'll take it.
All right. stipulate the probable cause for the responsible fleet counselor,
Yes, Your Honor.
and stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, let's go. These, $65, when can you pay?
Around, I mean, like 2 weeks max.
All right, June 26th, 2023, pay it by then, and we'll close it out, all right?
All right, thank you so much, John.
Okay, so
Have a good day.
on the phone.
Have a good day, sir.
On the phone at 951-224-2271.
Yes, that's me, Brianna Ligon.
Brianna Ligon,
Yes,
good morning to you.
good morning.
City of Detroit versus Brianna Michelle Ligon, case number SP 1259485-1, SP 1259486, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Joseph Dillard. Please state your name.
Brianna Ligon.
Good morning, Mr. Ligon. Today is the date and time set for a free trial. Did you take the defensive driving course?
Yes, I just wasn't able to get to the library to print it off. I was trying to get it. It's finally sent this morning, but I was trying to email it to myself and print it out. But I do have it in my email. I just couldn't get to print it out. So I don't know how I would get that to you because, the library don't open.
You want to email it to me?
Yes, I could do that.
Let me send you my email address in the chat. And oh, you don't have a chat because you're on the phone.
Yeah.
You have an ink pen now?
Yes, I do.
Let me know when you're ready.
I'm ready.
All right. SEAN. Period.
I'm sorry, say that.
SEAN. Period. PERKINS at 36th districtcourt.org.
Okay, I got you. And that's 36district.org. Okay, and just send this right now.
SEAN period PERKINS at 36th districtcourt.org. Send me that now, and then we'll pass the matter until I get it. All right.
Okay.
All right.
Ms. Ligon? Ms. Liggins?
Yes.
Ms. Ligon?
Yes, can you hear me?
Yes, my cell number is 248-227-0177. That's Attorney Joe Dillard. So if you're running any problems, give me a call.
Okay.
And that's 248-227-0177.
I got you.
And I can put you in a breakout room if you want to talk to them.
Okay.
All right, so let's go ahead and move on. What about Aisha Lawson?
For some reason, Judge, her audio and her video was active, but we could not communicate for some reason.
Can you hear me now?
Oh.
No, you're all right, Ms. Liggons. We'll pass your matter until I get that information from you. Okay, Ms. Lawson?
Yes.
Let's try this again. He said he couldn't hear you, so put you back in a different breakout room to see if that makes a difference.
Okay.
Join it, please.
Okay.
All right, City of Detroit versus Arthur William Groves, case number SP 1444573, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please. No.
I can't hear.
You're not, I'm waiting on your email address, on your email now. It's not you. I'll call you when I'm ready, okay?
Okay, so I just sent it. It should come now.
All right, Mr. Dillard, can you put your appearance on the record for Arthur William Groves, please?
Joseph Dillard.
Mr. Groves, can you state your name for the record, please? Can you press star? Is Mr. Groves there? 586 number.
Yes,
Press star 6 to unmute yourself, please.
Mr. Groves, if you can, there
Hello?
we go.
Hello?
Mr. Groves,
Yes, sir.
can you state
Can
your
you hear
name for
me?
the record? Yes.
Arthur William Groves.
All right. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial in the matter. He's got a failure to stop and a EWOP. The EWOP will be a disorderly conduct if he wants to take the deal, or he can set the matter for trial. That's going to be a $240 fine, and it'll be disorderly conduct. I'm going to put you in the breakout room to speak with Mr. Dillard, the lawyer, Mr. Groves, so he can go over that offer with you. Keep in mind, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Yes, sir.
He's in there. He's in there, Mr. Dillard.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Counselor for Greeley. Okay, Fiona Greeley is here. We're still waiting for give the officers 11 more minutes to see if they appear, so. Rome's number here. Golston is going to be next. John Golston. Do you have insurance on this vehicle, Mr. Golston?
No, sir.
You have a vehicle?
Yes, sir. I just need another court date to get my stuff in order, sir.
Very well. All right, we'll put it on the record, but your next court date is going to be July the 24th. John Golston. It's only one count of no insurance, correct?
Yes, sir.
morning, Ms. Snyder. I have a Asia Lawson here. She's got multiple counts of U tickets, for. Here's Mr. Warbling here. Mr. Warbling, I can get you an offer now. Ms. Snyder's here.
Okay, that'd be
Unless
great.
you
I'm in the
just-
same boat, having technical difficulties. I don't know why. She just can't hear me, but okay.
Let's bring her back in the room.
Okay.
Let's do this. Call the City of Detroit versus John Lamont Golston, case number SP 137-27931. Appearance for the record, please.
Ben Warbling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant.
So Mr. Golston, take your name for the record, please.
Lamont Golston.
All right. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. He needs some more time to get his documents together. I'm going to give him until July the 24th, 2023 at 8:30. All right.
Yes.
All right. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
Okay, let's go back on the record with Miss Asia Lawson. Miss Lawson, I hear you guys didn't have an opportunity to speak because of the
Yes.
difficulties, the technical difficulties. But I have the city attorney here now. So Miss Snyder, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 U tickets, all relating to her job at in the entertainment industry, and then I have a reckless driving and a no ops that came on a different as part of a driving offense. What would Miss Lawson's offer be?
Looking at them, Your Honor, Alexa Schneider for the people, P80322. Looking at her tickets, it looks like at least 3 of them are from 2017. It might be beneficial for her to set them for trial, see which officers appear, see what recollections they may have, if any, and then we can see whatever tickets would be remaining, if any.
All right, you hear that, Miss Lawson?
Yes, can I say one thing?
What do you want to say?
I can speak.
Yeah. It's your case. I don't know if it's necessarily advisable, but go ahead.
So I do have my license for the ticket I had just got. I went to take my driving test, and they supposed to be sending my license through the mail like this week or next week.
Okay,
So take my license.
she's mentioning this for the reckless driving and the no ops, right? So automatically the reckless driving, if you took a deal today, would be a 4-point drag racing offense. But if you set the trial date, I'm sure that offer will still be open. We're just you get out these other multiple counts of these entertainment tickets.
Yes. So what can I do with the?
Go ahead.
What can I do about the entertainment ticket? Like, is it a payment plan on them?
Well, just like the city attorney said, she's even saying, hey, you might as well just set a trial date and we all work this out on the day of trial. Some of the tickets are pretty old. You know, a couple of them are 4 years old. The other ones are 6 years old. So I don't even know if the officer will show up. We come back on August the 15th.
Okay.
For a trial and see who shows up. We can work it all out then.
Okay, so that would be my next court date.
Yes.
For the speeding and the tickets.
Well, it's a reckless. It's not just speeding. It's a reckless. But yes, for all of that.
Okay.
All right, and you want to take the Michigan Defense, you want to take the better driver's course just in case you the officer shows and is ready maybe that'll help mitigate that, that reckless driving ticket. I can put it in the chat for you. It's totally up to you.
Can you explain to me what is that?
That's a driver's course. I guess if she just got her driver's license, Ms. Schneider, she's already taken a driver's course. So we'll see. I'll mark the file, just got licensed. And then we'll pull the license when you come back on August the 15th, all right?
Okay, thank you.
All right, August 15th, ma'am, come on back in and we'll try to settle all of it up on that day.
Okay, thank you.
Have a great day.
You too.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mrs. Brianna Michelle Legans. Ms. Legans, I do have Ms. Legans did take the better driver's course, Ms. Schneider, and I have her certificate here. Ms. Legans has an unregistered, untitled, no insurance, and a 16 to 20 over. Ms. Legans, do you have valid registration and insurance?
So I do have the registration, but the car actually broke down and I don't have a job, so I didn't do the insurance. I haven't even been driving. I just been trying to find work within an hour that's suitable for me and my kids. So that is something I have not handled yet. And it's only because my car.
All right, that's enough said, ma'am.
Okay.
What's the offer gonna be for Ms. Legans? She took the better driver's course.
I would do, Your Honor, an improper plate and a blockading.
Improper plate and a blockading?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, that's gonna be $240 and $175.
Okay. I guess I have no choice but to pay it.
Well, you have a choice. You have a trial. You can take a trial date and see if you can do better, but it does not abstract. So she's saving you 4 points on your driver's license, and which would do a lot more damage down the line with insurance. So, how many kids do you have?
2. I have a 5-year-old and my daughter just turned 5 months yesterday.
5 and 5 months. All right.
Yeah.
We'll dismiss the misdemeanor upon payment. Go into the breakout room and speak to Mr. Warbling, all right?
Okay.
And read her advice and rights as well, Mr. Warbling.
Yes, Judge.
Please. All right, let's pass that matter. And let's move on to, how you doing, Officer Wilson? Who are you here on?
One second. I'm here for Fiona Greenlee.
Greenlee. All right, you just made it in time. Gooley, one of the officers said that they didn't recollect Ms. Schneider. I don't know which officer was that. Ms. Mathis.
Oh, I'm sorry.
On Gooley, which officer was it?
Tim Rynell, he wanted to dismiss.
All right. Tim Rynell said he didn't recollect. All right. Now we have a counselor here. Ms. Snyder, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with the counselor and see if you guys can work this out.
Perfect. Can we have the officer as well, please?
Yes.
Thank you.
Mr. Gonzalez, do you need an interpreter, sir?
No, sir. No, Your Honor.
Okay, very well. Officer Turner, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor. How are you doing today?
Very well. Who are you here for?
I should be here for Mr. Garmo, Royce Anthony Garmo.
Royce Anthony Garmo.
Yes.
I don't see that.
You said,
Yeah, I don't see that on the doc. You thought you saw. Spell the last name for me, please.
Garmo.
Is it Samar?
Royce.
Oh, Royce got it. I see it's Samar.
G-A. On the doc, did you see a Garmo?
I see a 130 Garmo. Let me check the paper.
Yeah, I don't think it's today. Let's look it up. Let's look it up. G-A-R-M-O.
Yes, I have a ticket number if need.
And how do you spell the first name?
R-O-Y-C-E.
All right. The 27th of June at 9 a.m.
Okay, I have it as the 7th, today. I have it as today.
Well, today is the 6th.
6, I'm sorry about that. On my paperwork, it's the 6th.
All right, if there's nothing further, be safe out there. Officer Turner, good to see you.
Great to see you as always, Your Honor. Thank you. You said it's the 27th?
The 27th of June.
27th of June. Okay, thank you very much, sir.
Have a good one.
Take care.
All right, who are we ready on?
Judge, we had Liggins, but I was unable to bring her out just because she's on the telephone line.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Liggins. Ms. Liggins, did you get a chance to speak to Mr. Wardland?
Yes,
You want to take the deal now?
yes.
Well, Judge, we didn't know
Go
if we
ahead.
could have an additional pretrial because we may have all the documentation in the not too distant future.
How long?
Maybe 3 weeks. Would that be sufficient time, Ms. Liggins?
Or there's some insurance?
Yes, yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Snyder? Ms. Snyder,
Yes, Your Honor.
would
Sorry,
you
give me a
allow
second.
Ms., would you have a problem with me giving Ms. Liggins more time to get her insurance work together?
Not at all, Your Honor. And if she does, I will dismiss.
All right, let's get the insurance then. We'll give you a pre-trial. 7/24/2023 at 8:30.
Okay, okay.
I have marked the file. You're bringing in the insurance, all right?
And you said 8:20?
8:30. Now you can get here at 8:20. That might be better for you because you'll be first in line.
Okay. And that
All
was
right.
7/4. Okay,
7/24, July 24th, 2023, okay?
Okay, I got it.
All right. Have a great day, ma'am.
Same to you. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. It's gonna be the city of Detroit versus Panoa Eganberg Lipka Greeley, case number SP 1436408, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1436420, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 143642661. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, good morning. Once again, Tom Piotrowski on behalf of Ms. Greeley. Fiona, if you would unmute and start your video, please. There she is.
Good morning to you, Ms. Greeley. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, Fiona Greeley. Good morning, Judge.
Good morning. All right. Today is the date and time set for a trial in the matter. We have Officer Wilson here. Can you put your appearance on the record, Officer Wilson? Are you still here? Yeah.
There he is.
Officer Mark Wilson, badge 3981, Detroit Police Department.
Good morning to you. Good morning. Okay. What's the, I did get some sort of resolution here.
Yes, Your Honor.
Defendant pleads to equipment violation, dismiss the balance.
That is correct. That is correct, Your Honor.
All right. You want to stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis?
Yes, Your Honor.
Responsibly. Want to stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm going to find your client responsible. I guess that would be, that's defective lights, insufficient lights. Let's just say a defective equipment. You can write that two ways, right, Officer Wilson? You can write that as a misdemeanor, is that correct?
That I don't believe you can write it as a misdemeanor, defective equipment.
I thought that I just saw one, high beams, that's a misdemeanor, correct?
Now that I'm not sure, honestly.
Defective equipment, it's gonna be $120 fine. And
that is a civil infraction, correct, Your Honor?
Pardon me?
That is a civil infraction, am I correct?
Yeah, he doesn't abstract.
Right, very good.
$120, Ms. Greeley, when can you pay it?
I could pay it today, Your Honor.
All right, I'm just gonna put it in there for the 13th. You pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload that DivDat app to your phone, or you can come down to the courthouse and pay it in person. If there's nothing further, $120, pay it by next week, June 13th, all right?
Sounds good. Thank you. Thank you, Officer Wilson. Your Honor, thank you. Really, thank you.
All right, Officer Wilson, if there's nothing further, you be safe out there. Have a great rest of your day, and everybody have a great day. Good luck to you all.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Right, let's move on. Griffin. Trina Griffin. Trina Griffin here. All right, let's calm down.
Hello, Your Honor.
Well, good morning to you.
How you doing?
Pardon me?
How you doing, Your Honor?
I'm very well. How are you?
All right.
City of Detroit versus Katrina Monique Griffin, case number SD 1423239, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1424285, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1424286, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1424312, counts 1, 2, and 3. For the 9th, might as well just schedule for trial. Parents, for the record, please.
Ed Warbling, P 64889 on behalf of the defendant. Miss your name for the record.
Katrina Griffin.
All right, Ms. Griffin, the day is the date and time. We'll call it set for a show cause on the 9th. You were supposed to be here.
Oh, wow, I thought it was today.
Yeah, see, you came early. As for purposes of arraignment, counselor,
Judge, we'll stand mute and wait for formal reading at this time.
will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. I can say this, Ms. Griffin, if you want to see if you can bring a valid driver's license in, you at least need to pay this no insurance civil infraction that you got back in 2018.
Oh, wow. I kind of probably forgot about it.
I guess so.
Yeah.
You can take the case number down. You can potentially come back in here with a valid license, even though you really need to take the defensive driving class because it suggests that you're not a very good driver, at least what the allegations suggest. And we'll set a trial date anyway because they have this false info ticket, and the city attorney is probably not going to give you an offer until she hears from the officer.
Okay.
So with all that being said, I'm going to set a trial date for all the matters on August the 15th, 2023 at 9 a.m.
Okay.
I'll put the better driver's course in the chat. That's up to you whether you want to take that or not. And then I'll give you the ticket number that you can pay that civil infraction, and potentially it can give you an opportunity to bring a valid driver's license back in on your next court date.
All righty. What's that, the number? I'm ready for it.
Ticket number?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yes.
SP 814 7242. SP 814 7274. SP 814 7242.
42.
SP 814 7242. That's a no insurance civil infraction. Is $258. Hold on that.
Oh, okay. Okay.
And you owe another ticket that you got, the no plates, $258 as well. But the no insurance is pretty much the one that's potentially the one that's stopping you from get a license. I don't know if you have any tickets in any other jurisdictions or not.
No, I really don't go in. I don't go too many places. Okay, and you said August 15th?
Yeah, I'm sending her the better driver's course. I'll put the better driver's course in the chat, so you can take a screenshot of that better driver's course. If you choose to take that, that will probably help mitigate some of those moving violations.
Okay.
If there's nothing further, ma'am, come back August the 15th, 2023 at 9 a.m., all right?
Okay, thank you so much.
Great day.
You too.
Thank you, Judge.
Gonzalez,
Yes, Your Honor.
good morning to you.
Good morning.
It's the City of Detroit versus Alvarado Julian Gonzalez, case number SP 129-06981. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Abelardo.
That's William P64-889. On behalf of the defendant, sir, could you state your name, please?
Abelardo Julian Gonzalez.
All right, today is the date and time set for a show cause. That's for purposes of show cause, Counselor Raymond.
Because we will stand mute and wait for formal reading at this time, Your Honor.
All right, in or not guilty plea on your client's behalf, gives your client a $0 bond. Do you have registration for this vehicle, sir?
Can I get the exact vehicle that is? I have about 3 vehicles in total. I apologize.
2002 Ford, red.
Ford Ranger. Yes, I had registration. I can get proof. Yes, I've had registration for it. Not at the moment.
Can you bring it back on July the 24th, 2023?
Yes, sir. That's no problem.
At 8:30 a.m. All right. There's nothing further, sir. Have a very good day. July 24th, 2023 is your next court date.
At what time, Your Honor?
8:30.
8:30, July 24th. Thank you very much.
Yes. All right, Mr. Dillard, are we ready on Mr. Groves?
Your Honor, is who's the prosecutor for today?
Ms. Snyder. I think she's, no, maybe she's here. I'll put you in a breakout room with Ms. Snyder, all right?
Okay, thank you.
Join the room, please.
Can the court give me host capabilities as well?
Yep. For Croxton, if Croxton was here, what happened to Croxton on Long? It's not here anymore. Did you get a message from Croxton?
No.
Love, Dark Trail, Love.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning to you. City of Detroit versus Dark Trail, Kent Love. Case numbers SP 1144791, SP 1446495, counts 1 and counts 2, and 05393041. Appearance for the record, please.
And Whirling P64-889 on behalf of the defendant. Your name for the record, sir?
Dr. Love.
All right, Mr. Love, today is the date and time set for a, let's see, pre-trial on the matters. You also have some other matters that are outstanding here. Let's see what those are set for. Pre-trial, and then you owe $288. So $45 reinstatement fee on one, disregard the red signal. You owe $288 on an old case that was amended. You pled to it on August 19th, 2021. That's when I first started. And then you had you have 2 tickets now, improper license and defective brake lights. And then you had an old OWI that you, in 2009, you pled to it in 2011 that you owe $95 on. So, do you have a valid license, sir?
No, sir.
Why is that?
My license was restricted, and I received a letter saying that I couldn't get one. That was years
Why?
ago. That was years ago I received that letter.
When's the last time you tried to get a license?
Since I got the letter, I haven't tried.
Were you in here the other day?
No.
All right, why
Oh,
don't
yes,
you
I
try
was.
to get a, pardon me?
Yes, I was in court the other day.
Yeah, well, what were you supposed to do then?
The other day we just set the date for today because I had missed my court date.
Oh, that's what it was. Why don't you try to go get a license first? You owe $95 on this open intox and $288 on this no ops. And then I would leave the other two cases like the 120. I would leave those cases alone until you come back to court.
Okay. You said $45, $288.
$95 on the old open intox case and $288.
Okay.
You pay those, and then try to wait 48 to 72 hours and go to the Secretary of State.
Okay.
And then come back. If you get a valid license, we can give you a lot better offer.
Okay.
And possibly dismiss if you bring some brake light stuff in. All right?
Okay, thank you.
Come back on July the 24th, 2023 at 8:30. That's your next court date, all right?
You said July what?
July 24th. Don't miss it. Pay that stuff and then go try to get a license. Wait 48 to 72 hours once you pay that stuff and then try to get a license, all right?
Okay.
There's nothing further, sir. Have a very good day. Good luck to you.
All right, thank you. You too.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Marquez Givens. Marquez Givens, speak to
Yes,
Corporal
sir.
Latch. Speak to
Yes, Your
Corporal
Honor.
Latch. Hold on a second. Take your scarf off your head, please. I'm gonna have the city attorney speak to Corporal Latch. He's here and get an offer for you. We'll tender an offer to you and give you an opportunity to speak with the lawyer about it. Do you have a plate there, sir?
I had everything. I had my insurance, registrations, license, everything last time. He just made me a court date for another court date. I had everything before. I had it when I got pulled over. I had everything when I got pulled over.
All right, hold on. Run his driver's license, Mr.
Yep.
Run his driver's license, Mr. Marquez Givens.
Yep, I had no ticket in like 20 years.
All right, run his license, and then he's got, make sure you pull the insurance and registration documents out. Have those ready, all right?
Just Your Honor.
All right, let's pass it until Ms. Snyder comes back out.
Just Your Honor.
All right, on the phone, 438-1234, they seem to be gone. That gets me down to Lockheed. What's that? Renell Lockheed?
Here, Your Honor.
Good morning to you, ma'am. All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Renell. Rita Lockheed, case number SP 137-94962. Appearance for the record, please. Warbling.
Sorry, I had Mr. Goss on the line. I apologize.
All right. Appearance for the record for Raynell Greta Lockheed.
Judge Ben Werbling, P64-889 on behalf of the defendant. Miss, could you please state your name for the record? Miss
Unmute
Lockheed.
yourself. There we go.
Raynell Lockett.
All right. Today is the date and time set for a trial. Court did not appear. Also, Ms. Lockett paid a related civil infraction. By paying that, you signed yourself up for two points on your license, ma'am.
I took the test. I took the class.
At the Secretary of State?
On the web, yes, on the internet.
Okay, I was gonna amend it to blocking traffic.
No,
we'll amend it to blocking traffic anyway.
What is that, sir?
That means it's no abstraction at all. We'll get rid of that failure to that failure to turn off your driving record. That would have normally been the offer, and you took the class. So we'll just amend, if you don't have any problem with that, Ms. Snyder.
No objection.
Mrs. Lockheed is here for a trial. She had no insurance and a failure to use her turn signal. And she used the turn signal. She took the class with the Secretary of State. So she doesn't have the points anymore. Corporal Point didn't show up. We'll just dismiss the misdemeanor ticket for paying related civil infraction. 6-6, and we'll amend that to blocking traffic just to get that abstraction off your record now. All right.
Thank you, sir.
Nothing further. Have a very good day, Ms. Lockheed. Good luck
Well, I
to you.
also have insurance. The insurance on there. I have insurance.
We dismissed it anyway, ma'am. So,
okay, thank you, sir. I appreciate you.
have a great day.
Okay, so what do I do now to go to Secretary of State or what?
No, just don't get any more tickets.
Thank you, sir.
All right, have a good one.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. All right. Mr. How is Mr. Groves doing? What is Mr. Groves gonna do, Mr. Dillard? Are we ready?
Yes, Shauna. I've had an opportunity to speak with Ms. Snyder.
Let's do this. Let's go back on the record with Arthur William Groves. Mr. Groves, I've given you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room.
Yes, sir.
Is this a case where you might want to talk to the drug treatment court?
Your Honor, no, that's not the case. In this particular case, Your Honor, I've requested discovery to be provided. Ms. Snyder is putting in for the body cam as well as police reports, asking that this honorable court reschedule this matter for a pretrial with sufficient time for them to get that discovery.
Okay. You want to be appointed to this case, Mr. Dillard, since you've done all of this work already on it?
Your Honor, if you want to appoint me, I have no problem with that as I sit right now.
Well, you know, typically when you ask for the discovery and things like that, you know, you've had this conversation with Mr. Groves, so you know the direction that you're going, so I don't have a problem appointing you to this case.
Okay, and if you you know, get with Ruth Carter, and
Yes.
and then she can go through the IDS system and get with me. So if that's what the court wants, I have no problem with it.
Yeah, that's kind of better on those ones where you're seeking discovery and things like that. It keeps it consistent. What about a pre-trial date? Did you get Mr. Dillard's, you get Mr. Groves' phone number?
No, Your Honor, I did not. If you can send me to a breakout, better yet, Mr. Groves, Your Honor, a breakout room would be appropriate. I'll see if I can transfer him back into that to a breakout room.
Do it. Put you back in the room, have a further conversation, and the next pre-trial date is going to be July the 24th, 2023. I have the file marked that he needs discovery and needs to appoint attorney Joseph Dillard to this case. Right.
Your Honor, you say July 24th?
At 8:30. Join the room, Mr. Groves, and wait on Mr. Dillard. If you don't have any further questions after you guys finish talking, you'll be free to leave, Mr. Groves.
Yes, sir.
Join the room, please.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, let's go ahead and Mr. Gibbons, what's going to be the offer for Mr. Gibbons? Let's call the case into the record, and then we'll tell you everything we have. This is the City of Detroit versus Marquez Arnez Gibbons, case number SP 1401129, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1401292, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
And good morning, Judge Ben Werbling, P64889, on behalf of the defendant. Sir, could you state your name, please?
Marquez Arnez Gibbons.
All right, today is the date and time set for trial in the matter. Corporal Latch, good morning to you. Can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Corporal Ronald Latch, badge 3603 with the Detroit Police Department's 3rd precinct.
Right. Ms. Snyder, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. Alexa Schneider for the people, P80322.
All right, so Mr. Gibbons came in the other day and he had documentation. So first of all, we ran his driver's license. He's got a very, very good driver's license. Only one ticket that I see from back in 2018. And that was for no insurance. He indicates to the court that he has registration and he has a plate. He has a plate and he has insurance. Now, I didn't see, okay, it was a failure to secure load as well, 3-month delay. All right, so I have the plea is FTD and a 3-month delay on failure to secure load. So let's see the document of the insurance that you have, sir, please. Right. I'll see if we can see that. All right, put it up to the screen. Let's see just the insurance first.
Okay.
There we go. You're gonna have to hold it still. I see insurance 2024. Back it out a little bit. Oh, pull it up, pull it up. Go up with the sheet of paper. Up. There we go. All right. Slide it over to your right a little bit. No. Okay. I see the 2024. I don't see much else, but.
Dodge
Let's
Dakota,
see.
it expired in
the-
2024.
Yes. And then let's see the
Registrations.
registration. Pick up. I saw 2024 on that as well.
Here come my new plate too.
All right. Mr. Ms. Snyder and Corporal Latch. Does that change things as far as the offer?
Does he have a license or just he had a good record?
No, he's got a valid license.
Okay, so then I'll offer, Your Honor, a 3-month delay on the failing to secure load and dismiss the balance.
Let's see, this failure to secure load.
Your Honor, can I mention something? Your Honor, can I mention something?
Heard you, sir. Hold on a second. Can I do what I do?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is the failure, do you want him to have points? Is that what you want, Ms. Schneider?
Was not my intention, Your Honor.
Was that your intention?
No, Your Honor.
Is the failure to secure load any points?
Not to my knowledge.
Corporal Latch,
Yes, Your Honor.
is that a point ticket?
You know, I'm not positive, Your Honor, but more than likely, I'm going to say it is.
I'm gonna say it is 2 points, I think.
Yeah, can I?
Well, it sounds like he's getting a very generous offer by all of these, but one being dismissed by the prosecutor.
Yeah, typically we dismiss when they come in with the documentation, even after they have, even if they didn't have it at the time. I just want to make sure that he's advised of what the penalty would be. But he desperately wants to speak. And desperate. Do you want to talk to your lawyer first, Mr. Givens?
Yes, I talked to my lawyer. Yes, Your Honor. I mean,
Okay.
the officer.
Let me put you in the breakout room, please.
Okay.
All right.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Warling, talk to Mr. Givens, let him get this off his chest.
Yes, Joe.
Seems like I can find that failure to secure load easily a lot of times, and other times I can't.
I think it's 2 points, Judge.
I think so too. All right, let you speak to him and tell him it's a 2-point offense.
I find it as improper load or towing, but.
Oh, is that what it is?
Well, I
Improper?
mean, no cover. I think it says 2 points, but.
Yeah,
See
so
what I can
speak
do,
to
Judge.
him and see if we can improper load. All right,
you,
let's
Judge.
pass the matter. And let's move on to Ryder, DeMarco Ryder.
Hey, Judge, good morning.
Good morning. I don't know if you're in the right place. Let me see. Oh, DeMarco Bully Ryder. All right, you are.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Let's wait on the lawyer to get back. Miss, the only officer that appeared was Raynell. He called in Ms. Snyder, and he indicated that he didn't want to proceed. The other officers didn't appear, so
Was he the no recollection officer, Your Honor?
yes.
I would make a motion to dismiss for no recollection.
All right, I'll mark that as no recollection, and then the others will be no officer.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And then we have Jabari Long with civil infraction. We'll call that one now. This is a civil infraction. This is the city of Detroit versus Jabari Long. Case number SP 144-21351. State your name for the record, Mr. Long.
Jabari Long.
All right, today is the date and time set for, turn your camera on, please. For a formal hearing. Good morning to you. This was a case where Officer Croxton showed up earlier today for a second, and now he's not here. So I'm just going to dismiss the case.
Thank you.
I'll just put dismissed. I mean, he appeared for 1 second. I put him in the breakout room. You never spoke with him, did you, Ms. Snyder?
I did not, Your Honor, but I would have just asked that it not be dismissed for no officer, just for insufficient evidence, since he did.
I just put dismiss. I'll put dismiss, no recollection. I'll put no recollection. Nothing further, Mr. Long. Have a good day. Good luck to you.
You as well. Thank you.
Thank you. We'll call Mr. Gooley into the record just for matter of time purposes, and then we'll get. This is the city of Detroit versus DeMarco Marquise Gooley Ryder. Case numbers SP 1209851. Counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1343429. Counts 1 and 2. Strike count 3 from SP 1209851. Strike count 3 from there. There's no count 3. SP 1397933, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Excuse me, what you say?
Mr. Dillard for DeMarco Gooley Ryder. Can you put your
Joseph Dillard, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Gooley Ryder, can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, Your Honor, DeMarco Gooley Ryder.
All right, today is a date and time set for a trial and matter for the SP CR43429, counts 1 and counts 2. It's Officer, I'll put Officer Raynell as a peer. He did call in, however, he said that he didn't have any recollection. And there's their Officer Green, Greene, and Officer Kirsten, Kersten. Hearing no response, Mr. Dillard.
Your Honor, at this time, no witnesses haven't appeared for this trial, which was scheduled for today, and no recollection by the other officer. At this time, I move that all counts be dismissed without prejudice.
I'm going to grant the motion to dismiss for the reasons you put on the record. I'll waive any warrant fees. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
There's nothing further, Mr. Woolley Ryder. The cases are going to be dismissed. Have a very good day. Good
Thank you.
luck to
On great day too.
All right. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Have a great day, sir.
You too.
Your Honor, could I have a breakout with Alexa Snyder at this time?
Okay.
Is there anything else getting ready to go on the record right now?
No, Mr. Long, Jabari Long, he was a civil infraction, and he left because Officer Croxton, he appeared, but he didn't stay. So we dismissed his case. I'll put you in a breakout room with Miss Snyder.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Join the room, please.
Thank you.
Well, we got some more people here. Just one another time.
So we got some more people.
It doesn't seem like any of these people are with us.
Mean people that zoned in?
Yeah, they're in the break. They're in the waiting room. See what they have. Let's get ready to I knew it. I knew it. I knew that was going to happen.
Judge, did you see that?
So
Yes. I'm trying not to. Oh, here it goes back again.
Your Honor, I removed it. When it says to report, what is it that we're clicking of?
What are the options?
Okay. I'll just go with offensive, illegal, or abusive. There's suicide or self-harm, private information, spam, copyright, infringement, impersonation. So we'll go with the first one.
Yeah. I had Corporal Latch that he said,
Corporal Latch, like, did you see that?
Did you see that?
You never read it. I've never read this.
It's not the first time. I was waiting. I was gonna say something to you because the last names just came in not right, you know, and then Jensen was S-E-N, Johnson was S-E-N, but it's happened to us multiple times before, and this has been the first time in really weeks and weeks that's happened, and they're back. So, all right, that makes us lock the room. Well, all right, let's go. All right. Did we put out Mr. Did we put out Mr. Groves? Oh, we put Mr. Groves out, or did he hang up, Mr. Dillon?
You gave, I'm sorry, you gave permission for him to leave.
Very well. All right.
And
we're just waiting on the, do you have anything else for the court, Mr. Dillon?
I always have things that I have to do when I'm waiting around to do something.
All right.
I'm here as you need me, Your Honor.
Very well. Let's go back on the record with your client left out, huh, Mr. Warbling?
Uh-oh. I hope he didn't misconstrue the instructions. I didn't want him to leave the meeting, just leave the room.
All right, we'll give him a chance to sign back on. So let's see. What do you want to do? Is this some ticket that do you want to speak to Mr.
I did try to have a little bit of communication with the corporal on this, a little bit of the background info, and as well as I could speak with Mr.
I'm gonna put you in
Schneider
the
on it.
breakout room with Corporal Latch and if the city attorney, Ms. Schneider, wants to join the room, and you can talk about it until he comes
Okay, that'd
back.
be great.
Salone is supposed to come in and fill in, Judge. I'm about to step away. Oh, Salone, y'all just about finished?
That's it. We're getting rid of this guy. Nobody else comes.
And you had a file already?
I have to file.
Okay.
Nope.
All right, I think this is him back here. All right, give me a minute, Mr. Gibbons. Your attorney is on in speaking with the city attorney and the officer, all right?
Okay, Your Honor.
You got that off your chest, sir? I don't want you to sit here and say anything that's gonna implicate yourself.
No, I was saying that the officer is right because they call it an unsecure load when you got a tire sticking up past the lip. So it was a tire stick. I don't scrap because I only got one arm. So I don't scrap. I was pushing my auntie home. I was doing her a favor. She knew the officer.
And Mr. Gibbons, my recommendation is that you don't talk at this time.
Yes, sir.
What you say could be used against you.
I ain't got nothing to say. The officer was right though. You know, that's all I like to say.
Mr. Gibbons, no, don't say anything.
Okay.
Turn your mic off.
To stop you from even thinking about saying something, huh?
Apartment out.
Hmm?
I said, I gotta go to court, this apartment that I was living in.
Oh,
I will see you. See you later, Judge.
all right, I'll see
See
you.
you tomorrow.
Look on that.
Judge, did he come back? I did have a, oh, I guess, is Mr. Givens back, Your Honor?
Mr. Givens is back. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Mark. You need to speak with him again?
Yeah, sorry, Judge. I didn't mean to interrupt.
That's all right. All right, let's jump. Let's get you in the room and speak with him.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Good morning.
You still on your money now?
Yes. Okay, let's go back on the record with Mr. Givens. Mr. Givens are giving everybody an opportunity to try to work things out. Mr. Warbling, what's your client want to do?
Judge, we went over his rights. He understands he's a right to have a trial, to be presumed innocent. The burden at all times is on the government to prove his guilt beyond a reasonable doubt. he could testify if he wanted to remain silent. He wants to waive those rights. He understands. He's happy with the offer under the circumstances, and he'll avail himself of the offer and waive his rights at this time.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Givens?
Yeah, Your Honor.
All right. You want to say something to the officer?
No, but hey, man, he doing his job. That's it. Keep doing this. It. You know, hey, keep it up. Keep it the good work, man. But he right. You know, that's it, man. You know.
All right. Can you raise your right hand, please, sir? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can put your hand down. Do you understand, sir, that the maximum possible penalty for these offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Workling went over your other advice or rights, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
You have any questions about those rights?
No.
You understand by taking this deal, you're going to give up those rights?
Yep. Yes, Your Honor.
And has anybody offered you anything other than what is stated in the record?
No.
Are we still set on the 2-point offense?
That's it, Judge.
All right.
Wow. Make it hard.
Okay. Go ahead. Civil infraction, right? No, this is a misdemeanor. What I will do is delay 3 months. I'll just dismiss upon payment. You'll still have the 2 points on your license. I believe you can take a test at the Secretary of State to keep your driver's license clean.
That's what I told him, and he may be fortunate enough to receive that correspondence. And Judge, if he needs the entire 3 months to pay, he can do that, but otherwise it's dismissed upon payment.
Very well. All right, let me draw your attention back to October 31st, 2022 at around 12:44 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Woodward and Seward Street, sir. You have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
You're operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
All right. What was failure to secure load? What wasn't secure on that vehicle?
I had like some little trash and my tire back there in the back. I was pushing my auntie home. So the little tire pipe, instead of laying down, it was standing up. So I guess anything that stand up over the lip, over the bed part, it's called an insecure load. So that's how I got that. Other than that, I would never got pulled over for that tire standing up like that. But yes, it was insecure load. Yes, it was insecure load.
Is that what it is, Corporal Latch? Is he understanding of the law correct as you understand it? You're on mute, Corporal Latch. You're on mute.
I did my little homework.
Oh, you hear me now, Your Honor?
Yes.
Okay.
Is that how you understand it, the law to be too, Corporal Latch?
Well, there was a bunch of scrap metals according to my notes, Your Honor. I didn't review my video because I always rely on my notes and they're accurate. I've got a bunch of scrap metals, yeah.
All right. If he's satisfied, he said the tire was hanging up over the bed of the truck. All right. So court is satisfied as long as the defense is satisfied.
We are, Judge.
All right, I'm going to find him guilty as charged. When can you pay $240?
No, this month, graduation, I get paid once a month. I just got done graduating my baby yesterday. Her birthday on the 25th. So probably before school start, probably June, probably July, not August. August will be the school close. So it'll be July. Probably beginning of middle of July.
You want to come back July 24th. You pay by July 24th, we'll dismiss upon payment.
Okay. Okay.
All right.
I appreciate it.
Come back July 24th, 2023 at 8:25. Let's make sure that payment is in, all right?
Okay, suppose I pay it before then. If I go downtown and pay it.
Pay it and then we'll dismiss the case.
Okay.
$240, which stipulates the probable cause. We're going to dismiss everything else.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, if there's nothing further, everybody have a very good day. Good luck to everyone.
Okay.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Lacey? I don't know any Lacey.
I didn't see his name.
It's no Zoom. It's no Zoom here. It's nobody on.
Oh,
There's nobody in the room.
maybe get the
Lacey, Arthur Lacey.
You said Lacey.
He's on the docket, but he's I don't have anybody in the room. All right, Mr. Gibbons, you're free to leave, all right?
Yup.
Have a good day.
You too. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Okay, somebody, Arthur Lacey, I guess, I don't know if he called or not, but he's not here now. It's a show cause for, if you get in contact with him, just tell him to come in on Thursday.
All right, I give him.
All right, so that'll conclude the morning.
Okay,
Thank you, Judge.
have a good day.
Everyone have a great
Great working
day.
with you,
Great
Ben.
day.
Always same here, Joe.
All right.
Good to
Joe,
see you.
bye-bye.
Bye.